Hi guys! We just arrived in our hotel today. It's a long day in the plane, but what? Look at view! I am in the balcony. Look at the place, guys. Yeah, love it. There's a water up there. Ganda. Beautiful. Na holiday place. Ganda ng lugar. Ganda ng lugar. Nasa balcony ako ng hotel namin. Ayan. Ganda. Merry Christmas, guys, and a Happy New Year. Ayan.